Hey guys, what's happening? How to simplify your online life with automation. You probably have a lot in mind and you want to automate most of the things because you don't want to worry about this thing. I don't need to worry about this appointment or this this lecture or this meeting, right? So first, use an AI assistant. Automate tasks with Google Assistant, Siri, ChatGPT, or Gemini. Okay. Next, email filters and auto reply. Set up Gmail filters to sort emails and use auto replies for your Gmails or your email in general. Next, password manager. Save login data with password right here, password app, and as you can see, this update is very crucial because that allows you to save most of the passwords when you log in to a certain website, and they will save it under categories like this is for Wi-Fi, this is for codes, this is for passkeys, and so forth, right? Next, use Zapier or IFTTT to connect apps and automate workflows. Okay. Next, enable auto pay for bills and manage subscriptions. You can manage subscriptions by clicking the settings. Click your name at the top, and you're gonna be able right here to see your subscriptions, right? Basically, link it to your Apple Pay in order to basically automate your subscriptions. Okay. Next, plan posts in advance using a Buffer or Hootsuite, right? And these websites allow you to automate your social media scheduling. And eventually, what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the smart home integration, control light, temperature, and security hands free. You could just type right here, smart home system or smart home automation, right? And you're gonna be able to see the official website to how you automate your own home, make it AI moderate, or basically make it an AI adjacent. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.